If I were buying a sewing machine in 2026, I wouldn't just look at the number of stitches or fancy features. I'd focus on reliability, stitch quality, ease of use, versatility, and long-term value. After comparing the options, these are the 5 sewing machines I'd actually consider buying. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4452. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is my pick for straightforward, heavy-duty sewing. Its mechanical design keeps things simple, while its strong performance makes it useful for denim, canvas, multiple layers, repairs, and home projects. It also offers a useful selection of stitches and compatible accessories, making it easy to expand what you can do with the machine. For someone who prefers physical controls instead of complicated digital menus, that simplicity can be a major advantage. The 4452 is also a good option for people who expect to use their machine regularly. You can adjust the stitch length and width depending on the project, giving you more control over different fabrics and sewing tasks. The downside is that it isn't as quiet or automated as some computerized machines. But if you want a simple, practical machine that can handle tougher fabrics, the 4452 is still a solid choice. Number 4. Brother CS7000X. At number 4 is the Brother CS7000X, and this is one I'd recommend to beginners. It offers a large selection of stitches, automatic needle threading, speed control, and an easy LCD interface. Those features make everyday sewing much easier, especially when you're still learning. You can work on clothing, quilting, crafts, alterations, and basic repairs without dealing with overly complicated controls. Another advantage is the speed control. Beginners can slow the machine down when working around corners or learning a new technique, while more experienced users can increase the speed when they need to finish larger projects. It's not the machine I'd choose for constantly sewing extremely heavy materials, but for general home sewing, it offers a great combination of convenience, versatility, and ease of use. Number 3. Genome HD 3000. The Genome HD 3000 is for anyone who wants durability without unnecessary complexity. It's a mechanical machine with useful stitches, adjustable settings, and a sturdy design that's well suited for regular home sewing. I especially like its straightforward approach. Instead of filling the machine with features you may never use, it focuses on giving you good control over the basics. It's also a machine that makes sense for someone whose sewing skills are improving. You can start with simpler projects and gradually move into more demanding work without needing to completely change your setup. For clothing, alterations, quilting, crafts, and heavier fabrics, the HD 3000 is a versatile option. If you want something that feels like a long-term purchase rather than a temporary beginner machine, this one deserves serious consideration. Number 2. Brother SE700. If you want to combine sewing and embroidery, the Brother SE700 becomes very interesting. It gives you regular sewing capabilities along with computerized embroidery features, opening up more possibilities for decorative and personalized projects. This makes it a good choice for people who want to customize clothing, create decorative designs, or experiment with embroidery without immediately buying a separate embroidery machine. The computerized interface makes it easier to manage embroidery designs and settings compared with a purely mechanical setup. That extra technology gives you more creative options once you become comfortable using it. There is more to learn compared with a basic sewing machine, but that's part of the appeal. If you want more creative flexibility and know you'll actually use the embroidery features, the SE700 is a strong pick. Number 1. Genome 3160 QDCG. And my number 1 choice is the Genome 3160 QDCG. What makes it stand out is the overall balance. You get computerized controls, useful stitches, speed control, automatic needle threading, and features designed to make sewing easier. It's a great fit for quilting, garments, alterations, crafts, and general home sewing. It gives you enough flexibility for different projects without feeling unnecessarily complicated. Another thing I like is that it doesn't force you to stay at a beginner level. As you become more comfortable with sewing, you can take advantage of the additional controls and features instead of immediately needing a more advanced machine. And because it's designed with versatility in mind, it can be useful for a wide range of projects. That's exactly what I'd want from a machine I'd be spending my money on in 2026. So, my 5 picks are: number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 4452 for heavy-duty simplicity. Number 4, Brother CS7000X for beginner-friendly computerized sewing. Number 3, Genome HD3000 for durability. Number 2, Brother SE700 for sewing and embroidery. And number 1, Genome 3160 QDCG for the best overall balance. But remember, the best machine depends on what you actually sew. For heavy fabrics, I'd look at the Singer or Genome HD3000. For beginners, the Brother CS7000X is a great option. For embroidery, go with the Brother SE700. And for an all-around machine that can grow with your skills, I'd choose the Genome 3160 QDCG. So, don't just buy the machine with the longest feature list, buy the one you'll actually enjoy using. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and let me know which sewing machine you'd choose in 2026.